好，我哋第16條啦，咁啊睇翻咧以下邊咧結構咧，佢係有一啲細胞，而呢啲細胞咧係有唔同嘅基因型、唔同嘅 genotype， 即係唔同嘅 genetic composition 啦，基因嘅成分啦。理解清楚條題目，佢係講緊喺個別嘅結構當中，即係 PQRS 呢個個別嘅結構當中，佢會唔會有唔同基因型嘅細胞？咁啊，做咗擊破啦。先睇 P 同埋 Q。P 咧就係塊葉嚟嘅。咁啊，全部都係一啲身體嘅細胞啦。Q 咧就係薯仔個 stem tuber，透過 asexual reproduction 無性繁殖或者 vegetative propagation 呢個營養繁殖所產生而成嘅。咁無論你係塊葉啦，定係個 stem tuber 啦，其實佢哋要製造啲細胞都係用 mitotic cell division 有絲分裂，所以產生出嚟嘅細胞咧都係 genetically identical， 佢哋應該係有同樣嘅 genotype 嘅。即係講緊係獨立地講P 同埋獨立地講Q 自己咋，我唔係將P 同Q 做比較。當然啦，你將P 同Q 做比較，佢哋都係 genetically identical 嘅。但係而家我淨係講P 自己同Q 自己啫。所以喺塊葉入面，佢唔會有兩類型不同基因型嘅細胞。Q 亦都唔會有兩類型不同基因型嘅細胞。所以從個答案嘅層面咧，P 同 Q 咧已經係可以 say goodbye 㗎啦。咁你見到 A、B、C 都查晒啦，咁都得翻 D 啦，係咪？喺個花嚟講，點解佢會有兩類型嘅細胞，有唔同嘅基因型咧？個果實點解佢又會有兩類型不同基因型嘅細胞咧？今日先睇咗個果實先啦。Fruit wall 果皮其實就係由親代而嚟，因為啦 fruit wall 係由咩所產生㗎？係由 ovary wall 所產生嘅。咁即係話啦，呢一啲嘅細胞咧，係嚟自於個親代嘅。但係啦，喺個種1、2、3、4，但係啦喺個果實入面嘅 embryo， 但喺個果實入面嘅種子入面嘅胚胎咧，佢就係結合咗阿爸同阿媽所傳俾佢嘅基因啦。所以從個果實嘅角度嚟講咧，佢有兩類型嘅細胞係有不同嘅基因型，所以 R 係其中一個答案啦。而去到朵花啦，當然朵花啦。固然之佢有自己嘅 body cell 啦，係咪？例如啦，個花托花瓣係咪？但係啦，花都有其中一個功能，就係製造配子，即係話佢有一啲 gamete 嘅 producing cell，就係 diploid啦。但係亦都能夠製造到配子，就係 haploid 嘅喎。咁即係佢哋嘅基因型都係唔同嘅。咁所以啦 ，body cell 也好 ，gamete producing cell 也好，或者 gamete 佢哋嘅基因型也是不一樣的。呢朵花咧。都係答案，所以答案就係 D 啦。So the question 16 is about the genotype. So which of the following labeled structures contain the cells with different genotype? Remember that it's not talking about the comparison between different structure. We need to investigate the structure individually. For the leaf itself, potato itself, flower and the fruit itself. So let's take a look at P and Q. The leaf contains the body cell, right? And then for the Q, which is the potato, the food storage organ for the vegetative propagation and for the asexual reproduction. Both of them, they undergo mitotic cell division to produce the new genetically identical cells. Therefore, within the leaf, all the cells, they are genetically identical. For the Q, the potato, the stem tuber, all the cells, they are also genetically identical. Therefore, they do not contain the cell with different genotype. I'm not talking about the comparison between P and Q. I'm just talking about P itself and Q itself. Even if I compare them, they are also genetically identical. I just investigate the structure individually. So P, Q, they are not the answer. So you can see that the final answer must be D. So let's take a look. So for the structure R, the fruit. So we can see that the fruit wall, it comes from the parents, because the fruit wall, it comes from the ovary wall from the parents, right? However, in the seed, for the embryo, it contains the chromosome from both parents, because embryo is formed after the fertilization, right? After the fertilization, there is zygote. And the zygote, it contains the chromosome, a new combination of the chromosome from male and the female parents. Therefore, it contains cells with different genotypes. Surely, for the flower, it contains the body cell, just like the sepal, just like the petals. Meanwhile, the flower, it can produce gamete. And the gamete is produced by the meiotic cell division and which is haploid. And it is genetically different from the gamete-producing cell, which is diploid. So we can talk about the body cell, the gamete-producing cells, and the gamete, and they are the cells with different genotypes. Therefore, the answer is S and R.